All right, again, if you did not finish your test from yesterday, okay, you need to go do that. Today, you cannot do today, like work, until you have taken the test. I'm really not sure where there was confusion of that the test was yesterday. I had sent out several uh, different emails with it. It was on the Module 3 agenda, and that Module 3 agenda was up from the start of when we started Module 3, which was back, like 2.5 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago almost at this point that we started it. Right, I made a calendar thing, so it was always showing up at the start of uh, your Schoology page for your class period. Okay, I'm really not sure where there was confusion that you had a test yesterday. Um, and if that is the case, we need to be doing a better job in keeping up with our classwork for this class. Okay, if things are running together for you, if you're not staying organized, then I suggest you going to go to Walmart and get a planner, or I know there's free planners that you can probably download off your on your iPad. Like I think like Excel or Google Sheets has a planner option for you, which would be a great, free way for you to just stay organized. Okay, I have to write things down. I have to um, make to-do lists, make checklists for myself. And that helps me stay organized. And so if that's the case for you, I suggest you doing that because, ladies and gentlemen, the amount of people I had saying, "Oh, we had a test? We have a test? What?" Or the amount of people who didn't realize to schedule at the testing center. I'm definitely sure by October 7th that this was not your first test you had to take as a virtual learner. I'm going to guarantee that you had a science or an ELA or math or some other test that you also had to go to the testing center for. So I'm not really sure also by that confusion. Okay. Also, the amount of people I had trying to, the day of in class, saying, "Oh, can I do an alternate way?" Guys, that had to be done beforehand. Okay. That had to be done beforehand. So, with that being said, okay, what we're going to do today, and this is only for the people who have taken their test, okay, you are going to be doing test corrections on your test. So what I'm going to do is, I haven't done it right now, okay, is I'm going to make this setting where you can see what you got wrong but not the correct answers, okay? And what you're going to do is it will still be in Lockdown Browser, but what you're going to do is get a piece of paper and a pencil, okay, and when you open up your test, okay, you're going to see all the questions from the test, but then all the questions that you got wrong as well. What you're going to do is write those questions out fully, okay, and then what you're going to do is after you've written out all the questions you missed, okay, right, so if I'm showing you some of the questions, so you're going to write out all the questions that you missed. So let's say you missed number 3. Okay, you're going to write question 3, what was England's first permanent settlement in North America in 1607? Okay, you're going to write all those questions, and then after you have all those questions written down, you're going to go into all your notes for Module 3 or any other activity we did for Module 3, and you're going to find that answer. So you're going to write the answer out, and then you're going to tell me where you found that answer. So if you found it in, your Module 3 Lesson 1 notes, put Module 3 Lesson 1 notes. Okay? Because I want to show you that all of this information was in your notes and in an organizer we did, or something, the primary source analysis, stuff like that. Okay, I want you to see that. If you did a study guide, I will even accept you putting that as a where you found the answer. Okay, so that is what you're going to be doing today. Obviously, the only person there was one person who got 100 on the test, and that is the one person who does not have to do this. Everyone has to do this, even if you only missed 1 or 2 questions. I want you to correct those. I am giving half credit back for you getting every test correction correct. Okay, so you are getting points back, so there is a point to doing this. Okay, but everyone, you'll be doing it on paper, and then you'll be taking a picture of it and turning it into Schoology. And so if I'm on this screen in the assessments folder, you'll notice a new assignment called Module 3 Test Correction Submission, and it explains everything that I just explained. Okay, and then you're going to submit your pictures of your test corrections there. Okay, so right, that Module 3 Test Correction Submission. Okay, so submit that there. Alright, any questions for what you are doing today? Okay, again, okay, okay, yeah, that's all you're doing today is the test corrections. Okay, these corrections are due Friday. These test corrections are due Friday, but I will let you know we're pushing a day behind on our Module 4, and so that means you still have another assignment that's going to be due Monday and Friday or tomorrow and Friday as well. And so I would really not dilly-dally around. Okay, get to work. Okay, you won't be able to be on conference while be on lockdown browser. Okay, but let me know if you have any questions. Just send me a message or anything like that. Alright, I'm going to open so you can see what you got wrong. Okay, should be good to go.